In our last video, we saw confirmed images of the Galaxy S24 series that is supposed to launch at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event on 17 January 2024. Today we have confirmed leaked specifications of the S24 series. Design-wise, we aren't seeing any major changes compared to the S23 Ultra except for the 6.8 flat screen, missing the curvature we've seen in previous models. The S23, which featured less curvature than the S22, started this trend. This, along with the improved cooling and large 5000 MHz battery, suggests a longer battery life with fast and reverse charging. Most likely, the S24 Ultra will come with a vapor chamber that's 1.9 times bigger than its predecessor for improved cooling. The latter is also bigger on the smaller S24 models compared to the S23 series. This hints at powerful smartphones that can handle AI workflows without overheating issues. The new model will also have 5 rear cameras, but unlike its predecessor, we'll see a new 50-megapixel telephoto lens that will reportedly allow up to 5x optical zoom. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra will get the latest Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, designed especially for the S24 Ultra for better performance and AI optimization, which makes it a real powerhouse for multitaskers. Not only that, but with the onboard graphics we expect to see incredible gaming performance in AAA games, and possibly even ray tracing. According to Geekbench's benchmark, what is expected to be the S24 Ultra scored a single-core score of 2,214 and a multi-core score of 6,744. Talking about the USP, one of Samsung's key selling points for 2024 will be the implementation of AI in the S24 smartphone family. Samsung's AI will power a variety of apps and features. According to rumors, the new S24 series will come with some exciting capabilities. It's expected that the S24 series will be able to translate messaging apps in real time, which will be especially handy for improved workflows and talking to friends around the globe. It is expected that this feature will support over a dozen languages. Samsung is planning to incorporate generative AI that can help edit and improve your photos. Last but not least, the new S24 line will offer enhanced search capabilities. You'll be able to highlight any given item on an image and find additional information for it, thanks to Samsung's AI. Additionally, it is anticipated that AI will be a major component of the S24 family, and other AI features will probably be unveiled at Galaxy Unpacked. After all, just a few days ago, Samsung registered 2 new trademarks: AI phone and AI smartphone. What do you guys think of the S24 Ultra? Do you think it will beat all other smartphones in the market? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.